everyone, it's Heidi with WTI, and I love having plenty of these 12-ounce Cricut mug blanks on hand. They're perfect if I need a quick gift, or if I'm planning a party for the kids, or for some friends to come over and decorate mugs. I'm prepared because this set of 36 gives plenty to go around. And really, there is nothing like decorating your own mug. And the fact that they come out dishwasher safe with no peeling is just phenomenal. The quality of these Cricut mugs gives me confidence that the results will be excellent. So I don't waste materials or disappoint someone who's made a special design. It will come out nicely and they'll be so pleased with what they've created. Using the 12-ounce Cricut mug blanks is a crowd pleaser, and I love having the 36 so that I can share them with friends and family. And that's my point of view.